A very good day to doctors. My name is Tan Guanxun and my metric number is 2x7471. And today I'm going to present the application that I have made. So first I'm going to reload these applications first. And here is the trade page, which display the items that the user have input. And here's the floating action buttons that contains two child buttons. And this one is the upload items buttons. So when I click on these buttons, it would redirect to the upload items page, which is a form that allows the user to upload the items. So for the first one, there's an image that we can upload our photos from here. So when we click on the buttons, and we can select the image from the gallery. So for example, we select this one and it will redirect us to the crop image functions. And now we will crop the image to the 3/2. And now save the image. Now the image is saved to the image one and we'll continue to the second image. So take this image as example and continue with the third one. And this last one. So total we have uploaded 4 images. And also I display and upload this image by using the list view. And that will allow the user to upload multiple images in this list view and able to scroll in the horizontal axis. So first of all, we were going to select the type of the items. For this one, we upload as a sofa. So it will be furniture and the condition will be used. And the item name will be full set sofa. Sorry, full set sofa. And the item descriptions, I will say use for 1 year. And the conditions is perfectly well maintained. I think it's not perfectly, but it's well maintained. Conditions well maintained and 1, 2, butter for same value items. And these are item descriptions. And the expected item values for this full set so far is like 1,500 and we only have one quantities. So here is the geolocations of these items. So after we have inserts all of the informations, we will upload the items to the server. So we'll confirm the upload, click yes, and upload successful. So now if we refresh the page, yes, the image was shown here. And there's the timeline that for the image that we have uploaded, which is the debt registrations that for these items. So when we click on these items, we can see the details of the items like for the image that we have uploaded. So also shown in the list view and also the names, the quantities, the expected item values, the item types, and also the item descriptions. And the third list is the conditions, which is use conditions, and the last one is the locations. And all of these are using the list tiles widgets. So I will close this button shift. Okay, and that's for the items, upload items part. And after the user have successful upload items, they would the user will be redirected back to the list of the items where the user have uploaded. And so for 4 of these items is like all the items that the user have already uploaded before. So here's also the timestamps for the items that upload. So if we want to delete the items that we have uploaded, so we can long press on the widgets on this grid view, grid tab. So when we long press this, we'll pop up a dialog message that asks us if you want to delete the full set so far. So I will share. So if we press yes, I will delete the items from the list of the items and also delete the items from the database. So This is profile page for the login and registrations. Okay, now we'll look into the backend scripts. So for this one is the upload items PHP code. So for this line is the code for save image ones, which is using the decode strings that decode the base 64 image. And then the path one is the path that we save our image to. So I save the first image as the file name, and I assign this number one to differentiate the four image that we have saved. So for this one, for this line is save image 2, image 3, and so image 4. Okay, so for load items PHP, this is the backend scripts for the load items PHP codes, and this code has load the items from the database, which is this ones, and also display it back in a grid view in this trade page. So for our database is okay, here's the items that we have uploads. All right, and that's all for me. Thank you.